This motion picture, produced by the Edison Manufacturing Company in 1917, presents a journey along the Chesapeake and Ohio Canal through the Potomac Valley. Filmed between Cumberland, Maryland and Washington, D.C., the footage follows a week-long barge trip through 180 miles of American landscape, capturing a waterway that once played a vital role in the nation's transportation and industry. Preserved by the Library of Congress, this film offers a rare visual record of the Potomac River and the canal system during the early 20th century. While surveying through these mountains, George Washington conceived the idea of building this canal, and he founded and became the first president of the Potomac Canal Company. We start with the canal at the coal city of Cumberland, Maryland. A small barge and a trusty steed carry us through the famous old canal to Washington, a distance of about 180 miles. The many artistic old locks attended by veterans of the Civil War. On to Washington, we pass through 86 locks and are dropped 800 feet in transit. The quiet old waterway winds its course through some of America's finest mountain country. This tunnel, cut through the mountains, is 1 mile long. It was built entirely by hand and has been in use since 1840. the captain, the crew and the engine coal up on the shore at noontime. Quiet old Maryland farms, stocked with waterfowl, stretch their acres down to the waterfront. The railroad has replaced the canal as a freight carrier, but the waterway is still doing its bit, carrying the coal to Washington. The donks seek the quiet of their cabin after a day of work. The night shift goes on duty. Harpers Ferry, the stronghold of John Brown, is the intersecting point of three states, Maryland, Virginia, and West Virginia. A street scene in Harpers Ferry. The ruins of the government arsenal at Harpers Ferry. Great Falls on the Potomac, where Washington founded an iron factory that played an important part in the Revolutionary War. After a 7 days trip, the canal boats tie up at Washington. Down the old Potomac, remains a valuable record of a transportation system that once connected communities, industries, and landscapes across the region. Though the canal would soon fade from commercial use, films such as this preserve its final years of operation and the people who worked along its waters. Presented by American Visual Archive.